Hello friends and my dear students. Once again I would like to welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Sunil Sangre from KK Polytechnic, lecturer in Computer Technology Department. Today we are going to discuss unit number 3rd, which is combination logic design or circuit. Among this unit we are going to discuss the one important concept, and that is called as a K-map. So K-map, which is the most convenient method for the reducing or simplifying the Boolean expression, which was developed by Merciu Karnaugh at Bell Laboratories in 1953. While designing that digital circuit or a particular digital logic circuit, we need to minimize that equation, and for that purpose the Karnaugh was developed that method to reducing the equation for the simplifying the digital circuit. So K-map are the convenient way to simplifying Boolean expression. They can be used for up to 4 to 5 variables. They are a visual representation of truth table. It is based on that truth table we can reduce the equation. So in many digital circuit and practical problem, we need to find the expression with the minimum variable. We can minimize the Boolean expression of 3 to 4 variable very easily by using K-map without using any Boolean algebra theorem. K-map can take two form, sum of product and product of sum. That part already we discussed in a previous lecture. According to that we need to solve that particular problem. So always remember the equation should be in the standard soft or in the standard POS form, and then we can use a K-map. K-map is a table-like representation, but it gives the more information than the truth table. So it's like a truth table, but that truth table having the more information than the normal truth table. We fill a grid of K-map with the zeros or ones, then solve it by the making group. So depends on, if the equation in the form of SOP, then we can consider the one value in the K-map, and if the equation in the form of POS, then we can consider the value in the form of 0 in the K-map. So we'll see how we can use a K-map. There are different steps to solve the K-map. So first step is select the K-map according to the number of variables. So how many variables are in that equation? As for that we can select the particular K-map. So identify the mean terms and max term as a given problem. We should identify the equation in the form of min term or in the form of maximum. So on the basis of that we can consider the values, what value should be put it into the K-map. So for solve, the next step is for solve put once in a block of K-map respective to the min terms, or remaining or elsewhere we should put it 0. For the POS, we should put 0 in blocks of K-map respective to the max term, or elsewhere or remaining blocks we should put it 1. So next step is what? Make a rectangular group of containing total terms in the power of 2, 4, 8 except the 1, right? So always the grouping should be 2 raised to n, right? From the 2 raised to 0 to 2 raised to n. And try to cover as many elements as you can in a one group. Yes, we should make the group of ones or group of zeros as more as. For the group made in a step 5, find the product terms and sum of the in the form of SOP. So this is one of the simple example of SOP form. So here the equation is given. So here the equation is given, the two variable equation, y is equal to a bar into b bar plus a bar into b plus a into b. So these are the three terms available in that function, that is the sum of m, that is a small m, means main terms 0, 1, 3. So we should put it that 0, 1, 3 into the K-map, but here the variables are 2, so K-map will be 2 variable, so a and b. How to write the K-map variable for the two variable a slash b? So here 0 1 0 1, horizontally 0 1 for B and vertically for the A 0 1. So that is a 0 0 0 0 1 1 and 1 0, like this. So here the min terms available 0 1 3, so we should put it that 0 1 to the, so for the 0 cell we have put 1, for the 1 cell we have put 1, and for the cell 3 we have put 1, but remaining is what, 2, so we should put it 0 into remaining cell. So 2 is not a present term, so here the 2 is absent term, so we should put it 0 into the 2 variable K-map. After that make the grouping of that all ones. So here next slide shows how the grouping can make. So here the grouping is what, 1 1, that is 1 and third variable is grouped, and 0 and 1 term is grouped. So after that we reduce the equation like this. So first pair or first grouping is what, A bar into B bar and A bar B bar for 0 and 1. So here A bar is a common, B bar and B is uncommon, so neglect it, and we will get the only A bar. So second term same as it is, second term for that, here the equation for the second term A bar B and AB. So here the A bar and A is not a common, so eliminate that, and BB is a common for the both term, so the B will get. So A bar and B, these are the two terms we get, and then Y is equal to A bar plus B. This is a final simplified equation by using the K-map. So the K-map is a very simple and convenient method to reduce the equation. This is the example for the 3 variable for the soft function. So equation is given or function is given, summation of m terms 1 3 6 7. So as for that we should put it all ones into the 1 3 6 7. So here this is the A slash BC K-map for the 3 variable 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. We should write that the combination of that 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 in the form of gray code method, and for the A is 0 and 1. So here the 3 variable K-map will be what, 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. These are the cells, and in that cell we should put it the value. So we have the value 1 3 6 7. So here put it 1 into the 1 cell, put it 1 into the 3 number cell, put it 1 into 6 number, put it 1 into the 7. After that make the group of ones. So here the combination of that group 1 3 is one group, 7 6 is another group, but here we can create another group, but it's no need to make the group of this, because of already 1 3 is covered and 7 6 is also covered. So after that grouping reduce the equation. So first pair is what, 1 3 is A bar B bar C and A bar B C. So here we'll get the equation in the form of what, after neglecting that C is common, A bar is common, so B bar B is uncommon, so neglect it. So we'll get that first pair A bar C. Second pair is 7 6. In that 7 6 A into B into C bar, A into B into C. So in that case C bar is uncommon, so neglect it, and we'll get only the A into B. So make that two min terms summation, and this is the final equation, Y is equal to A into B plus A bar into C. So this is a simple example for the 3 variable K-map. So next is what, 4 variable K-map. In a 4 variable K-map, the K-map, the number of cells will be 2 raised to 4, means 16 cells will be there. A B C D, suppose the name is given like A B C D, the combination will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and you vertically 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, like this. So in the soft form the equation like what, A bar B bar C bar D bar, that is a 0 1, like this, that is the cell number is what, 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10, like this. So here the example, we want to solve the equation which is given f 4 variable function summation of min terms 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 10. So we should put it all that 0, 1, 2 up to 10 into the K-map of 4 variable K-map. So after putting that value, make the group of ones and solve the group of ones by neglecting the common variables, uncommon variables, and we'll get the equation that is of f is the b bar into d bar in plus a bar into c bar. This is another example for the K-map for the POS form. Here the equation is given in the pi of m, that is a max term 1 3, right? So in the POS form we should put it 0 into the K-map, and after that put in the 0, we should make the group of that all zeros, and after grouping we'll get the equation in the form of what? POS form. So this is very simple method for reducing the equation by using the K-map. So thank you for watching my video. Like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you once again.